Hey guys, got a wedge model topper. Fits a 94 to 01 Dodge Ram with a short bed, 6.5 foot bed. Red in color. Decent shape other than the clear coat's peeling all over. But a small scratch right there. Then you get the top, you'll see the clear coat. It's pretty much peeling all over the whole top. Has another small scratch across here. A couple scratches right here on the front edge, down through here. A couple little spot marks there. And then you got some clear coat peeling under the window here and a scratch right there. Has a single bay window in the back, front sliding window. Sliding window in the front half, bay window in the back. Front sliding window in the truck. Again, you can see the clear coat peeling pretty much across the whole top. Some paint's a little thin right there. Scratches all the way down through this edge here. Bottom edge looks pretty decent. See, you've got some paint scratches and stuff there. Like I said, sliding window in the front, window slides open. The side has clear coat peel on this side as well. All the way across the top, and then the top edge. Back edge looks pretty decent. Small little scuff mark right there. Bottom edge looks pretty decent through here till you get to about right here, and you get a lot of clear coat peel. Paint's a little thin right there. Sliding window in the front half of this. Single bay window in the back. Some more clear coat peel there. But even from a distance, they don't look too awful bad. Double T-handle locking rear door. Inside is just bare fiberglass. Screens are in decent shape. Not seeing any holes in the screens there. On this side, sliding window in the front. This side has a small hole. I don't know if you can see it right there in the center. Other than that, screen looks pretty decent on this side as well. There it is. Got a wedge model topper. Fits a 94 to 01 Dodge Ram with a short bed, 6.5 foot bed. Red in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website. So you can click that link, see which location it is, purchase it online, see how much it is. It can all be done through that link there. Make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, deck storage units, things like that, those can all be purchased online through that there as well. As with all our truck caps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.